My name is Vincenzo D'Angelo. I'm a current Hofstra Law student, class of 2026, and my day-to-day here is I'm in the transactional department as a legal extern, and basically what I do is I look at different matters when it comes to closings of properties, such as looking at lien reports, lien searches, title reports, and even attending closings as well. I work directly under Rosemary, but also with the assistance of Zoe and Zudi, who is a paralegal in the transactional department. I have to say, I've always been somewhat interested in real estate, even going back to college, but I didn't really know much about it. But I have to say, in the 4 weeks I've been here, I've learned so much, and everybody is very, very warm and welcoming, and I have to say everybody at the firm is very nice, and I think I've learned a lot substantively as well. Honestly, it feels like a family. When you think of a big law firm in Manhattan, it could sound kind of daunting, but when you're here, it's all those preconceived notions kind of go out the window. Everybody's very warm. Everybody's very nice. You have any questions, everybody has an open door. You could step in whenever you want and ask it. There'll really be no issues with that. So just reiterating, it's really feels like a family here. Adam, he's an interesting man. He's he's very stern, but again, he has an open door as well. So most top people at different firms, you'd feel kind of scared to talk to them, but Adam's a total opposite. Have any questions, you could step in whenever, and he'll answer them. You could have a chat with him, whatever you're feeling that day. Yeah, I mean, my first closing that I went to was in Brooklyn. I had to take the subway there. It was it's a little nerve-wracking going in. You might feel like a little out of place, being that you've never done it before, but everyone's very nice. They understand that you're there to learn. So it felt really nice being able to do that. And then, as I was able to attend more closings, I just remembered that day and how far I've come, really. And it'll stick with me forever. One thing first and foremost is that you're here to learn, and that you're not gonna know everything. And the people you're working under, the people you're working for, realize that. You're a student, so you're not going to know everything, and don't be afraid to ask questions, and you're here to be a sponge and absorb everything. I would 100% recommend it. Firstly, I mean, the office is beautiful. You're in a great part of Manhattan, and just reiterating everything else I said, it's a great culture at the firm. You're working under some of the best attorneys, and really in the United States, aside from New York. So that's always a plus also.